Mga ombudsman iimbestigahan ang mga aligasyon kay Justice Undersecretary Jojo Cadiz. Ang Department of Justice giit na hindi apektado ang imbestigasyon sa flood control kasunod yan ng resignation ng opisyal. Ang mga balitang yan ay tinutukan ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Inihayag ng Office of the Ombudsman na kanilang iimbestigahan ang nagbitiw na Department of Justice Undersecretary na si Jojo Cadiz kaugnay sa pagkakasangkot umano nito sa issue ng korupsyon. Ayon kay Assistant Ombudsman Miko F. Clavano, magtatalaga ng fact-finding body ang Tanod Bayan upang masilip ang kaugnayan o involvement ni Cadiz. Maalalang idinawit ni former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico ang pangalan na naturang opisyal na umunoy nakatanggap ng kickbacks o pera mula sa anomalya. Sinasabing si Cadiz raw ang bagman umuno ng mga pera o cash kickbacks sa ngalan ng kasalukuyang Pangulo na si President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Subalit sa kabila ng mga aligasyon ng dating mambubatas ay bigo pa rin ito magsumite ng sworn affidavit bilang formal na basehan ng kanyang mga paratang. Kung kaya't pagtitiyak ng ombudsman na kanilang hindi isasantabi ito maging ang iba pang ulat may kinalaman sa conflict of interest.
Definitely. That is something that the ombudsman has to look into. Given all the allegations, however, not yet sworn into, but there are other reports as well of his involvement. And so definitely there will be a fact-finding body that will be dedicated to that as well. Lahat po yan, we will have to sift through the evidence, no? Wherever the evidence takes us, that's where we will go.
Samantala, ibinahagi naman ng Department of Justice na sila'y handang mag-imbestiga kung mayroong reklamo o complaint silang matatanggap kontra sa nagbitiw na opisyal. Ayon kay Prosecutor General Richard Anthony Fadulion, ang mga impormasyon sa kasalukuyan ay halos mula sa mga video at aligasyon pa lamang. Kung kaya't kinakailangan na may magain ng formal na reklamo upang opisyal imbestigahan si resigned Justice Undersecretary Jojo Cadiz.
Well, it will all depend. No? It will all depend. We do not know what basis, if any, the Ombudsman would have to conduct its investigation. But certainly, as it is right now, as it stands, we're just waiting if there will be any complaint that would be filed. Everything is based on allegations so far, on the statement and the videos that were presented. And until and unless there is a formal complaint, then that's time that the department can probably consider initiating an investigation.
Habang sa bukod na isyong kinakarap ng nagbitiw na opisyal, ayon kay Prosecutor General Fadulion, ipinauubayan na lamang raw nila sa Office of the Ombudsman ang pag-iimbestiga. Get niya, kung totoong may conflict of interest sa posisyon ni Cadiz, naniniwala siyang wala itong epekto sa takbo ng investigasyon ukol sa flood control. Ayon kasi sa kanya na hindi kasama na opisyal sa mga itinalagang tututok sa flood control investigation ng kagawaran.
Well, in that particular case, we leave that the discretion of the Ombudsman as to whether or not they will conduct an investigation on that aspect. Because as it is right now, department, like I said, if the concern is there is conflict because of the position of Undersecretary Cadiz, here in the Department of Justice. It's you may as well be informed that insofar as all the investigations pertaining to flood control, Undersecretary Cadiz has never been involved and was not involved in any of it, as it is directly under the supervision of the Secretary. As far as ongoing investigations, preliminary investigations, evaluations, all of these are being done by the task force which I head.
Nag-uulat mula Office of the Ombudsman, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.